So Upwork is changing, and not in a good way for complete beginners, and it's about time we talk about it. I recently checked the Upwork official update page, and the changes that I see made me believe. I already had suspicions, but I believe now Upwork might not be the best option for complete beginners, and I'm going to break it down for you. The first thing is the system of Upwork is pay to play. You have to pay in order to be on Upwork. You can be on Upwork without paying, but in order to really play the system in Upwork, you have to pay. You are on Upwork to apply for jobs. And in order to apply for jobs, you need Connect. And some jobs require 8 Connect, 16 Connect, even more. So you have to have Connect in order to apply for jobs. How do you get Connect? You have to pay Upwork in order to get Connect to start applying for jobs. That has not been a big problem for me really, because there is a system where as soon as you set up an account, when you create a new account as a freelancer on Upwork, they are going to give you 50 free Connect. And you can use that 50 free Connect. In most of my Upwork videos, I instruct you to use the 50 free Connect wisely so that you can find your first client with that 50 free Connect, so that when you want to apply for more jobs, even if you exhaust that 50 free Connect, if you already started making money on Upwork, then you are not going to be using money out of your own pocket in order to buy Connect and apply for jobs. But Upwork made a major change a few months ago. They stopped giving 50 free Connect to new freelancers. This means if you create your account on Upwork right now as a complete beginner, no more Connect. You have to pay in order to get the Connect to start applying for jobs. So the way they change it now is, in order for you to get the 50 free Connect, you have to do one of two things. The first thing is you have to spend $20 and join their Plus membership, which is a monthly membership that costs $20. And as soon as you sign up for the membership, they are going to give you 80 Connect, which is part of the membership, and then they are going to give you 50 free Connect on top of the 80 Connect. And if you don't want to sign up for the membership, then you have to buy 100 Connect at $15. And as soon as you spend $15, you buy 100 Connect, then they are going to give you 50 free Connect on top of the 100 Connect that you bought. $15 is not that much if you are a freelancer, you are already doing the work. But if you are a complete beginner looking for your first client, that is something, especially if you are in Nigeria. How much is dollar today? Over 1,500 Naira. And you have to find the money out of your own pocket. I am not even sure if Upwork is going to accept Naira. So you have to find the money to buy the Connect in order to be eligible for 50 free Connect. And this means if you didn't pay the money, you cannot even start looking for clients. That is why I always tell you to stop procrastination, stop planning, stop even learning things, just get started. Because the longer you wait, the harder it is going to be. The longer you wait, the more challenging it is going to be. So if you haven't started, if you are still planning, or if you are still learning, trying to learn things, you are still trying to find a mentor, just get rid of all that. Just get started. Set up your account. Even if you cannot start applying for jobs right now, create your account, optimize your account, and be open to receive invitations from potential clients. Because the longer you wait, the more challenging it is going to be. And just a few months ago, applying for jobs was a lot cheaper. You can use 6 Connect, 8 Connect. A lot of jobs doesn't pass 8 Connect. Most of the jobs that you will find as a beginner are going to cost 8 Connect or even 6 or even 4 Connect. But right now, almost most of the jobs on Upwork cost a minimum of 16 Connect. So you see, even applying for jobs became a lot more expensive. And even their Plus membership, it didn't cost $20. It used to cost, I think, $15. They increased the price to $20 in February. So you see, the longer you wait, the more challenging it is going to be. And the changes is really not going to affect you too much if you already get started and you are already finding clients, you already have clients, you are already getting paid. If you are already making money on Upwork, then what is $20 per month? You can easily pay $20 per month. But if you are not making money on the platform, you are not making money on freelancing, then that is something that you have to struggle with. When I check the Upwork official update page, I see a lot of changes that are coming. Some changes, they already implemented them, and some changes are coming in the next few months. And most of the changes are really not a good news for beginners. And the 3 changes that really stood out for me is the first one, they stopped giving 50 pre-connect. You have to do other things in order to get the pre-connect. And applying for jobs became a lot more expensive, and they increase the price of their Plus membership. Not to mention the competition is going to be a lot more fierce for complete beginners. If I already on the platform, I am a top rated seller on Upwork, then the competition is really not going to affect me that much compared to if you are getting started today. And if you start Upwork today, the competition is not going to affect you that much compared to someone who will start Upwork in the next coming months. So that is why you have to start today, because the longer you wait, the more challenging it is going to be. And also, if you haven't started, it might not be a good idea to start with only Upwork. If you want to increase your chances of finding clients, you have to be a little more aggressive. The 3 most popular freelancing platforms are Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com. I rarely advise people to use Freelancer.com because I didn't like working with Freelancer.com. But you, as a complete beginner, you can try it out yourself and see if you like it. But I really suggest you start with Upwork and Fiverr. You start with these 2. They both have their advantages and their disadvantages. And if you use both, you are increasing your chances of finding a client. And with this new change in Upwork, Fiverr might even be a better option for you because Fiverr doesn't require you to spend any money. It normally takes a little more time to find clients on Fiverr compared to Upwork. But if Upwork is a challenge now, you can't buy Connect, you can't have Connect, then Fiverr might be your next option. And even though freelancing platform is a great place to be as a freelancer, it might not even be the best place to find your first client as a beginner. And that is why I recently made this tutorial on cold outreach. If you watch this next tutorial, you will learn everything you want to know, everything you need to know about cold outreach and how you can find clients using cold outreach. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next one.